Let me lay this on you. I never needed anyone. I've suffered for many years, endured many hardships. People that walked out on me, who I'd give the shirt off my back for, wouldn't even lend a nigga a pair of socks. Empty pockets where niggas knew I ain't have it, ain't help me. Left in a room all alone, friends morphing into adversaries, ridicule and crucifixion, cause I follow my dreams. All the pain that's inside of me. Supporters that woke up one day and decided to no longer support me. Stress after stress. People who don't give me compliments or show any more props. Yet when I drop a video or make a post, you niggas dick riding me heavy. Even family be hating. I know who be talking shit behind my dreadlock-filled cranium. And here you are on Facebook congratulating me? I never needed anyone. To all the females that stalk my social medias, wanting me for sexual advances, honey, I'm off the market. And it's not because I'm single and I now know my own worth. You can't have me. Most of y'all are leeches. You don't want to hold it down for a brother. You like the idea of me, but not me, really. You see where I'm coming from? 2021 is all about Kali. A lot of you women push me away. One in particular, I refuse to name. You see my focus, you cannot distract me. So stay the fuck out of my DMs and quit trying. I'm not interested anymore. Fuck your feelings. I'm going to tell it how I perceive it. I never needed anyone. I pulled myself from many endeavors, not supporting my divine purpose. Forex. A lot of individuals who said I'm family surely ain't treat me like it once I decided to go my own separate direction. Who's retarded? What? Who's a failure? What? Who's weird? What? Who's a talentless nobody? Kiss my middle finger, cunt. Ooh. Ooh, my bad. I'll let that slip. Again, fuck your feelings. You need people like me to tell her how it is. I don't hold back. Nah, unleash the beast. I'm both the angel and the demon. Unorthodox balance. I never needed anyone. Oh, boy. Savage writer is always talking shit. You're damn right I'm talking shit to you envious, bottom-feeding, energy-leeching, carnal, uninvolved, demonic, dogmatic, unawakened, stinking, lying, scheming, reeking, self-conscious, bigoted, hot-headed, closed-minded, pussy-made motherfuckers. You're damn right I'm talking shit. Real shit. And if you don't like what I'm saying, you could block me, pussy. The unfollow button works real damn fine, but oh, I forgot. You too miserable to do it. Get your insecure ass on already. Y'all will no longer project those onto me. I'll bust you over the head and split your skull down the middle if you dare to interfere with my ambitions. I'm in control. I decide where I want this ship to go. See, I found my strength. I found my strength. I said I found my strength. I tapped it, and damn, it feels good to say I believe in myself. I'm confident. I'm greatness. I'm a king. I'm a god. I'm simply me. I never needed anyone. See, this is the part the majority will skip. They're too fixated on the cussing. So much so, they misinterpreted the message. This is the year I found harmony in my flaws. Yeah, I grew up without a father. My mama was a recurring alcoholic. I was born and raised in one of the most dangerous cities in America. I was diagnosed with autism at the age of 7. The kids in school said I was retarded. I was a byproduct of food stamps, Section 8, and welfare. I forgot Social Security. Girls never wanted me since they thought I was creepy. I wear my naps with pride. I never got to travel outside the country yet. I smoke a lot of weed. I listen to rebellious music. I know how to read tarot cards. My family structure was toxic, and it still is to this day. My grandmother is dying. I have cousins, aunts, and uncles that never speak to me. I struggled with depression. I never owned a home. I still do not have my driver's license yet, though it's a work in progress. I don't even have $10 inside of my bank account right now. I never received my second stimulus check. It was blood money anyway. I couldn't win the heart of my divine counterpart. I won my own heart, though. I'm an aloof son of a bitch. I'm overly critical of myself. I'm rigid, I'm stubborn, I dress like a bum, I'm melanated, I still live with my parent. I almost became a college dropout when I was 19. All I care about is my creative pursuits. I bury myself in my work. I can go on, but despite my obvious imperfections, I still get on this platform to put my heart and soul into all that I do. Even after 7 years, I'm as strong as ever. It's all my flaws that made me into who I am today. And that boy's name is Savage Writer, baby. See ya.